Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you a few examples of cost sheets and line sheets from our Chapter 7 Product Development. So I have a few examples of tech packs, some phrase that you probably haven't heard yet. Up until you get into your more advanced classes, a tech pack or technical packet is going to be part of your life if you are in the design aspect. So here I have a sweater, and this is a cut and sew sweater from a friend's label called JSLV. And note that there's a style number here, and it's labeled, it's showing two different colorways. Vintage olive and black charcoal. And this last one is just the back view. So this is a technical package that gives the manufacturer full detail of how to create the item. Let me show you page 2 of that item. Notice that it has the type of fabric that it's using for the body and the lining. It's a men's regular fit, parka jacket in the colorways, style numbers, and see spec sheet for the fit. Sample size is a medium, so it's very, very detailed. Let me show you the next page. Typically tech packs are very large. It's kind of like the Bible of making that one item. So this is the technical sketch. Here you will learn how to use Illustrator to create your technical sketches of items. And this is a very, very detailed tech pack. So you see it tells you what kind of snap buttons it takes and the size, the color, how many. Very, very detailed. Fabric number 1 for the flap and the shoulder. So it gives detailed measurements of certain areas of the item, front and back. Okay, so now the next one is the internal sketch, the inside of the fabric. So the yellow is the fabric number 3, lining. And it's showing you here where the lining goes, exactly where to place the size tag of the item. So very, very detailed information. Here's another spec sheet detailed for the pocket. That's how detailed. Every little aspect that this item has, you have to spell it out. You have to measure it. Make sure they're using the right stitching. It's a zigzag stitch, half inch. And it tells you exactly what kind of a button, where to place the button, snap button. So that's just the pocket. Here's the flap yoke pocket, the size of the pocket, and then the yoke. So it goes on, and this is a very detailed spec sheet. This is the cuff. This is another sheet just for the cuff, the measurements, the Velcro that goes into the closure. This is just one spec sheet for the interior label, how big the label should be, where is it placed, what direction the logo should go, right? So all of this is going to your, their overseas manufacturer. A lot of it is, there's a big language barrier, so they understand measurements and placement, right? So when you have something as detailed as this, it helps production go smoother. Nothing is worse than having 1,000,000 pieces sewn wrong. Like, I'm talking, the lining is sewn on the outside. Like, that's how bad you can mess up production if your spec sheet is not correct, okay? It also has an individual spec sheet for the artwork on the button. Yes, like the grommets, they want their logo on it. They want this exact button, but with their logo on it. So the Tech Pack goes on and on. I'm telling you, this is just one item, and it's about 20 pages long. So yeah, front and back of each colorway. Here you might even have a swatch of the actual color, maybe even reference the Pantone color, the lining colors, all of that. So this is just one Tech Pack for one item. And let me just show you what their collection, how big their collection is. So this is their full collection, and that Tech Pack was just for one item. Okay. So let's start off here with the pants. This is one fit in 4 colorways. Here's another fit, the jogger fit in 4 colorways. Proper fit in 4 colorways. So for each of these, you have to have a Tech Pack. Here is a little collection, very nicely curated. It's a button down with a puffer vest and all the accessories. The hats, the wallet, the belts, all coordinating. Okay, so that will give you an example of the type of Tech Packs you'll need for a catalog of this sort, menswear. They have lots of accessories, and accessories, even more detailed Tech Packs because they're so small, so you have to be very detailed. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you for, oh, I have one more, screen prints. Screen prints, I haven't showed you. So these are examples of JSLV's screen prints that they've done in the past. Here's a white color background, it's easier to see, and these are all the colors that go into the screen print. And it pitched, they pitched the colors here down below, the front and the back where the label goes, and then how it should be packaged. It should be packaged in a plastic bag with the label reading as such. The name, the SKU number, the color, and the size. And it should be placed on the bottom right. Here's another one. It's a hoodie. And this hoodie is telling you where the screen print and the hang tags should go. And again, how it should be packaged. Fun, fun. So that is all I have for you for Tech Pack.